Welcome my friends, how are you guys doing? Now today you're connected with DP Kids just like every day. So I'm going to teach you how to do another beautiful craft just like every day, right? What am I going to show you today? Today I'm going to show you how to do a little bit of a scary thing. I'm going to show you how to do a fish, right? So what do we need? Now just like every day we are just using very simple materials. Today we need only an A4 paper. Now you can take any color that you want. I have taken a blue color. So take a circle and then now you're very familiar with doing this, no? Folding it into, right? Like we do it every day. It's quite very easy, right? So now after you fold it, put some gum and we are going to attach two eyes. Right, I'm gonna connect the eyes. Okay, the two eyes are connected, and then we are going to draw the mouth. Now it has little bit of fins also, and then we'll try to do something different also, a small shade like this so that it gives a little bit of color to it. Like this. You can try different things. Even you can even add a different color, and you can use different other materials to add on to this. Right, okay, now we are done with the mouth and the body part, right? Okay, so like it's a smiling fish, right? So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a platinum and then the fin of its back. Now you take it like this, you cut the behind fin. Okay, so these different fish had different shapes and sizes, but what I am saying is you don't have to stick to that. You can think of your own and do it. So you can do it in different ways. I have taught you how to do other fish also. This is a different way of making a fish. Now after that, this is going to be the side fin, yeah, and then cut these two also. Now you all can decide what kind of shape the fins are, what kind of the shape is the mouth is. Now this fish is smiling. You can even make it look like it's frowning on you. Put some gum on this side and paste it like this. Now I have put a small fold here because it's on the body. It should look a little bit 3D so that it will look more natural and more real. Yes, so after doing that, now this is how you make a simple fish with just a A4 paper. Not too many things. You can also do this at home, pretty easy, and even when you go to school you can do the same thing. Can you see? It's very beautiful, right? Yes, you can do this, right? That's how you make a beautiful fish in a very simple way, easily, with less time. So just like this, every day very simple crafts we will bring with DP Kids. So please make sure that you stay in touch, right? Stay safe, okay? Until that time, see you.